History meets modernity. This perfectly describes Boston. The city, together with Cambridge, connects its rich history from the Boston Tea Party to Harvard University with modern innovation, impressive architecture, and a vibrant tech and cultural scene. We are taking a day trip to Boston and Cambridge. Our first stop is Lampoon Castle. This building, built in 1909, looked like a medieval castle. It is home of the Harvard Lampoon, a famous satire magazine. Nearby we see the Smith Campus Center, a modern building with workspaces, event rooms and restaurants. It is part of the Harvard University. Now we step onto historic ground, the Harvard campus. The university has many famous alumni, including Barack Obama, former US President, Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, though he dropped out, Natalie Portman, Oscar-winning actress who studied psychology here. Of course, we also meet John Harvard, the university's namesake. His donation helped establish the school. Leaving Harvard, we see the statue of Charles Sumner, a famous abolitionist and contemporary of Abraham Lincoln. His statue stands in front of the First Parish Church in Cambridge. What is a university without an impressive library? The Boston Public Library, founded in 1848, was the first free public city library in the US. The building is an architectural masterpiece. Its courtyard was inspired by Italian palaces. Now we jump into modern Boston. On the right, the Prudential Tower. On the left, the Hancock Tower. Of course, a local insurance company had to build higher. Finally, we step back in time again. This is the USS Constitution, the oldest still operating warship in the world. It was launched in 1797. Every year the ship sails through Boston Harbor, a rare chance to see a 225-year-old ship in action. After a long city tour, you can relax in one of the many cafes or listen to street musicians. And with that, I say goodbye. Greetings to everyone, wherever you are.
You were saying you were the cutest, the hottest masterpiece. It's good to be true, nothing